He has a hit song that went viral. I'm sure you've all heard about Paul. Richie Reasons with the next big artist in music.
Intense on the search, next big in music, next big in dancehall. Right now, with the chopper Rasta himself, right? That man say, mess up with the Paul. Check him out, Rani, father. Rastaciti, father, what God.
No,
yo, we see I do it on music, I take off. You get me some people recognize, because all our social media, we see the song around. What Paul do, like, bro, that song there, touching for everybody. Like everybody, every crew of a Paul line there, you know.
You know, Paul, I really think that coming from the heart, you see me?
Yeah, and we like you create a song there, you get me I say? Because everybody do song, everybody dance in Jamaica. But when people become creative, because then make a song about and say, boy, me name Paul. I think the part of that song will touch people the most, because a man can relate and know, say, yo, Jaja.
Yeah, man, I name Paul for real, man.
Before we go to the songs, bro, like music though, like the journey, where you start off from though?
Well, you know, say Rani Rastaciti is an artist created by pain still, you see me? Rani is a youth to lose his mother, and music I think when they use for cope. You see me? So first he start off venting on Facebook or post. Then it turn into poem, and then the poem them turn into song with my dog named Narco Boss. So yo, music is fair do. So we just do it, and they don't know left from just pain and venting to falling in love with the music and creating. Just me testing melodies and everything there, you see me?
What song was the first song you actually drop and you say, yo, yeah, they have to stay?
Alright, first song we drop is a song named Doing Fine. Then we go do a song after named Booming. You see me? Booming was a song that really captured people in years at first, you know? I remember the first show I go, I never really know what to do. And then I'm shy too. And I didn't start playing foot and get weak. Then I say, you know
so what is?
Yeah, man, we look and see a video like that, man, you know, get a little confidence and so we have to just do it though. So just go out and do it, and you know, people love it, and from that we just kick off the journey.
The name Chopper Rasta, as most of them call it.
Yeah.
Rasta and chopping. Rasta as about not chopping. How you mix them two together? Like, how you put them together?
You know, so I never really me give myself a name there. As I say, Rani my name, and my dog named Narco come up with Rastaciti. You see me, I just through me I sing chopper songs as a Rasta with meds in it. People just burn it and say Chopper Rasta.
You have a similarity look to the Marleys them. I want to get that clear. Are you one of the Marley? I see people coming by and say, oh, this man look like a rebel Marley, like one of the rebel them from the Marley gang.
Then we compare me as some favor Kimani is still mostly.
Yeah.
No, man.
No relation?
No, me not. I don't know Marley still.
Just music.
I respect and I love Marley because Damien and Marley are actually one of my favorite artists up to today.
Where you from though?
Alright, I fall from St. Thomas. And then be a bad artist come from St. Thomas here. And actually, St. Thomas artists, them always have like a different style, you know, always have meditation and anything, you know, flow, melodies. As when I talk about Popcorn, Canny Class, Kelly Critical, Taurus, really, a whole heap of bad artists.
Mark and Heritage.
Mark and Heritage.
Whole heap, you know.
Heap of bad artists, they don't know. St. Thomas just have one different kind of mix over there.
Your song right now, you're running right now, Paul. Right? Your next one, Rep.
Yeah.
Well, we see females love that song there, though. Go on.
Yeah, man. Rep. Alright, Paul, I basically like a song where I give me like a different crowd. You see me? It's like it capture all age group. You see me? Because people, everybody I go through a thing where you know say people give them all to somebody and them turn around and just betray them now away, and you know it cut up what them do to Paul for real. You see me? So people can relate to that. Rep is more like a vibe song now. I may have a new one that come out on it, Mad Dog, where actually I burn up the road right now.
Lady, we love you and a girl just trying to shame me.
I don't want to do everything everybody do, and that is not me. You see me, I always be different. You see me, I'm born different, I grow different, so I always create different. You see me, and being different is what actually make people like you more. You see me, when you see him, everybody just see as you see him.
You feel like that's a disadvantage for you also? Brandon as a Rasta with the chopping and people might say, oh, enough of that, don't do that style.
No, it really matters still now. Everybody I have them preferences. I mean, some people are gonna like it, some people not gonna like it.
Like, what some of the person actually work and collaborate with so far in the industry?
Collab with Chronicle, Joshy, Popcorn, you see me. I am saying unreleased. Because basically that save them to way. I actually build up my own name. Where I happen right now. And we can start drop them, you see me.
That game, I'm a master hit.
Perform Boom Son is right, right?
Yeah, I'm perform. I chop up in, I probably just say
Boom Son is you perform a song now. I say, when we see you, I say, yeah man, the next Rasta is on. I'm mad at this. I'm ready to chop up here. I thought, what the chop up? I say, well, I'm there. You get me? I say, I think that's the thing, the surprise where you give them, the impact there. Because when you see them, they expect on my ear.
No.
You get me I say? Not saying that it's bad enough, but I feel like that's where dancehall and reggae music in a moment right now where them like people surprise them something different, like refreshing. You get me I say?
Being different is good, man.
What's some of the people inspired in the music though?
You know, say naturally, just artists alone inspire me still. Like everything, every day, anything at all when I see it inspire me. When I walk or I drive past somewhere and a man just walk past and say, "You, what are you stressed about? Lift up your head, man." And then me talk about a media fear and message there, you see me? But different from that, you have every artist basically inspire me. Artists who boss the artists and boss it. Every man I tell them story, everybody get up and I do it and it just motivate me to do it even more. But as I say, I have the artists from my place where I connect to more because I them watch I do it. Them watch some of them from before them even find a song. Till now them have songs upon songs. You see me? Like all Skilly Bang, Chronicler. You see me, them and them watch them before them have.
Were you a part of the East Side movement?
No. No, I never had a part of the East Side movement. Skilly Bang and my family just said, you see me, I love alone.
Go back to the song, Paul. That song there. I feel like a song that it create a universal fan base for you right now, where people can just take away from the word chopper. You know, because you know them can have the whole negative vibe with chopper. Like them still listen to it, but them still say no to it. Because them say not really go outside the country, right?
True.
But Paul now you create a space where people can open and say, yeah man, that you there. Them there for stay.
And me also have part 2 come out for Paul.
Jaja. Part 2 Paul, if you hear that one.
Yeah, man.
So talk to me right now, like a female dream color will match your sound. What do you think?
Female dream color will match my sound. Probably a Spice or a Jada or a Chanel.
You could put on a show right now, and you have to have 3 headliners on it. Like, who are the 3 major headliners that add to it?
Popcorn and a Chronicler.
St. Thomas.
Yeah. Keep it in St. Thomas. I know Shackstar for this too. You see me, a couple more.
Hey, Shackstar bad still
No,
now.
Shackstar when I wicked.
You're not collab with Shackstar?
Yeah, man, I collab with Shaq already. I have 1 release and a couple unreleased anyway.
Advice to other upcoming artists out there where, you know, maybe I try, I want to do music and made my face the same thing like we say, the creative space that I'm not get fit actually. Because another thing, it's time you as a sing. And based on what I sing about, you know, say different, the man not do that. As we call them capper. But I'm not capper, my capper. They must try fit in that space and say I run.
Perhaps some of the time I just cap now, some of the time I sing and I manifest it into their life. Long before I start drive Benz and Beamer. I start singing about driving Benz and Beamer till when I sit up now and I listen about the whole song and I say, you know, say, words are powerful and sometimes you have to just manifest what you really want in your life. You see me? So I really cap it and sometimes they just manifest, they must see it. You know, reach it, but like they must vision it. And you have to just keep working to make it happen. You have to work and believe. You see me? Your friends them probably don't like it at the time, but you're not sing for just them alone. You have to create and work and believe. You see me? Not just in the music, you know, anything at all you do. Just try to find love feet and work and believe.
Okay, and they are not ask the question, what makes Rani intense?
I don't know, style, flow, and difference. Sync.
See there, Rani Rastaciti, aka the Chopper Rasta. But we can't change that now, no. The man there with the musical journey, they have to stay and listen. Smart, intelligent. You get me I say? Check him out, Rani.
Sync.
Active, you know? Yeah.